publicity. It's a pity sometimes it no pretty. Man will take away your groove and you can't get it back. Don't love reggae music. This song, Jamaica I Come From, was written by me, Paul Smith, aka October Rain. The inspiration for this song is based on the Jamaican folk song Call and Return type, you know. So I wanted to have something that I could engage the crowd with. But when the idea hit me, it was best put together through a concept, the essence of what Jamaica is. You know, the essence of what Jamaicans are is, you know, what sometimes I guess we move away from nowadays. You know, we kind of not retain a lot of the old energies that we used to have. A grandmother used to talk about. It's kind of very folky and it still has that horn. I've just finished working on my mixtape, Soapbox Empire, which is now available on SoundCloud. You can also find it on my page, October Rain. Check, scroll down, you'll see the link all over it. If you go to my Paul Smith page, you'll also see the link to the SoundCloud. It's free download. You can go and get it anytime you want. In October, I will be releasing my debut album,